Hello, and this is Jessica Kreis, Strategic Account Manager for Softmart, and this is your IT2 in Oregon. And this week is all about Windows Server Data Center because there's one big change coming for Windows Server Data Center that I want to make sure you guys are all aware of. And that one big change is that there is a price increase coming at the beginning of November. And we've talked about it before. But let me back up a little bit and explain a little bit about Windows Server Data Center and how important it is to your environment. So, for organizations that are virtualizing their servers, what Windows Server Data Center allows for is unlimited virtualization within that machine, regardless of hypervisor, whether it's VMware or it's Hyper-V or Citrix, whatever you're using, regardless of hypervisor, you can have unlimited virtual instances of the server in that box when you're covering with Data Center. Now, the great thing there is that there's technology parity between Windows Server Standard and Windows Server Data Center. So once you buy that license, the technology is the same. You can deploy any version of previous version of Windows Server that you want. But what's amazing is that you get to consolidate that licensing. You don't have to license each individual instance. You're going to license that entire box and be free to put whatever you want on it. Okay, that's the great news. When the price increase happens in November, it is significant, okay? So you're going to want to really pay attention because what we can do now is if you are an EA customer that doesn't have Data Center on your agreement, we can make a purchase this month of additional product, and it's going to lock your pricing in this month so that you don't have to experience it for at least the rest of your EA agreement. Unfortunately, if you're not an EA customer, you are going to be subjected to whatever the pricing is at the time that you purchase. So if you're a select customer, open value, there is a challenge there. If you're on the fence on the EA, this may be something that you want to take a look at from a price lock perspective because it may be enough to push you over the edge to be able to see a real value in the EA agreement. But it's something you definitely want to consider. And then in addition, the changes that are coming with the ECI, there is a price increase there, plus standardization and SCE is a big challenge that you want to look at. So we're here to help. Let us know. This is Jessica Kreis, Strategic Account Manager. I'll talk next week. Thanks.